what you need to do is take it to an MOT test centre.
Right.
I'll try and find out what the fault is.
Hello all, London out here. Today we are going to get an oil change, which is the main plan. We're going to be meeting up with Oscar in just a minute. First oil change for the bike. I'm doing that 200 miles. Let's see the actual mileage. I'm pretty sure it's 200. Yeah, 201. I actually went there yesterday, like 5 miles before, so by the time I got there it would have been 200. But Gabriel's Mechanics wouldn't close the shop early for some strange reason, so I feel like they're just gonna probably punch me in the face now because I snitched. But other than that, me and Oscar are gonna go down to the other end of the river to pick up his mate, who's then gonna come to the shop with us. And what else is there on the agenda? Updates. It's currently, today is the 21st of May. So Ramadan, if I'm correct, will be ended in 2 days. And then the next day after is Eid. I probably won't be making a video after this, so for all my Muslims out there, Eid Mubarak. I hope you have a great one. And then on top of that, that's it. 2 days after is my birthday, which I will not be making a video as well because I have an assessment on my birthday, unfortunately. So I'm going to be very busy. Like, please don't watch how dry my hands are. Like, I cream my hands, I promise, and then as soon as I come outside, ash. But yeah, anyway, so my birthday, I'm not going to tell you how old I'm turning because I'm turning very old, unfortunately. So yes, busy week ahead of me. But for now, I think that's everything out the way. And so let's just get a move on and get this day out the way. So there he is. Hello, boy.
Oh, you're wearing gloves. Fuck, you know.
What do you mean?
It's a bit hot, no?
I always wear them.
No, I like not wearing them when it's hot weather.
No, I have to.
Where did you see the Fed yesterday? Up your road.
Which one?
You said there was one with back Fed.
Yeah, right at the top of my road. I'll be alright. Oi, and we're off. Forward to the petrol station first. I'm really not going to film the show. I'm literally just going to film when we get to Gabriel, so we're going to teleport from place to place. Let's go now. Checkpoint 1 got. We're in Forest Gate, Lewisham, South London, the other side of the pond, where I hate the most. But yeah, now we're going to make our way to Gabriel's. Again, we'll probably just teleport there because it's a bit long to record everything, and then I'll try and get enough content when we get to Gabriel's. It was such a nice ride though, so I might be tempted to hit the record once we reach somewhere where the nice buildings are, but then it's like there's no point because it's going to be so short for that bit of time. So yeah, bike's proper hot as well. So with that being said, I think we're about to rock and roll now.
Stay behind him, and I'll be in front. He stays in the middle, and you stay behind.
Game plan. For fuck's sake. Okay. Let's go. Oh, watch, when I get this oil change, Glacier's just gonna piss in it now, I can tell. I bought it for 1,750.
1,750?
Including delivery, sir.
The motorbike?
My old one.
Oh, okay. That's not bad. And you sold it to him for 1,400?
1,350.
Not bad, isn't it?
Depreciation of 2 years, that's not even bad.
Yeah, no, that's alright.
Yes, alright. Jess, how come your boyfriend is such a red ass?
Why?
It just likes to annoy me a lot. I don't understand it.
I said 1.8. Get me. Jealous, innit?
Huh?
Jealous, innit?
Of what?
Jealous, my 1.8 on your back.
You know how much I bought it for? 1,750.
Yeah?
Including delivery. So I'm not fussed, am I? Over 2 years. I didn't even fucking say hi, bro.
Take a whole crack. Take a bit of shot. I'm going to use the exhaust off as well.
But I getting paid, huh?
Yeah, but I need to go as well. I'm meant to leave a little bit early.
Oh, I always meant to leave a bit early. What are you going to do? Why'd you have to leave early?
Because it's one of the time, man. I'm tired.
I'm tired as well.
How much is the front tire for us?
8 quid. 70 quid.
So almost £100 to change both wheels.
Yeah, but for me, for you it's like 150, 160, no?
More or less is a difference of
Because my one's bigger. Yo, Gimbo, my chain's very loose as well, fam.
Alright, we'll tighten it.
You can tighten it.
That makes too much noise though.
Oh no.
It makes too much noise.
That was me.
Your neighbours.
If that was me, you'd start crying.
Yeah.
Oh, your neighbours when you drive yours.
Yeah, I know.
Fucking fire. We knew, me and Danga knew when you were coming. That's why I texted you before you texted me.
That's so ridiculous.
That's so loud.
I can't
Silly.
believe you used to ride this.
You silly guy.
So loud. I used to think this was okay as well.
Do you know why it used to be okay? Because we used to ride together. Mine was loud as shit as well.
Yeah. That's ridiculous.
Nah, when he had it, yeah, and I used to ride, when he came past me, my ear was just ringing, bro. But when you're riding it, doesn't sound so bad.
Same with mine. Mine sounds nice when I'm riding it. But if I'm off it with
No,
no
if
headphones
you
in,
come
it's
past
fucked.
me, yeah, I stress out. I start stressing.
Okay, that's not gonna fit. You need to take the thing off.
I should take it off.
Yeah.
Bro,
What?
I'm a genius.
Why?
Because you see my stabilizer's broken. Oh, well, it's not now because it's focusing, but see? But then when you put the magnet on, boom, sorted.
I feel like that's gonna destroy the inside of your phone.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
I think I'll be alright.
Fit?
The camera's a bit funny.
I don't need to take any pictures. I just need for.
How do you open the screen?
Okay. Whilst we're waiting to go, since Gabby's closing up, let's just reset the fucking oil. Here we go. The fucking long bit. Lovely. NANI?! Bro, what the hell? Go on, mate. Sorry? Oh yeah, no, it's just the mechanics up there. Yeah, just come out. What's that? Right here. No, I know, mate. I got enough scars to prove it.
Won't be attached to your fucking hands anymore. I don't want to be picking you up later.
What's that?
I don't want to be picking you up later.
No, I'm sure you won't. Alright, mate, take it easy. I shall be waiting for them to turn back around. Alright, boys and girls, we ended up bumping into good old Camille. So I'd stop, chat for a bit, catch up. I haven't seen him in fucking ages. So yeah, now I'm gonna head home. Got some work to do, got photos to edit, video to edit. So yeah, busy evening ahead. Should we photo one of these lot? You was on ITV, weren't you?